Hello everyone, let me introduce the basic road marking machines. This is our single tank preheater, mechanical stirring system. This one is the hand push applicator, all-in-one basic type. It can heat and melt paints directly in small projects. Now I will show how to operate it. First, open the LPG valve. Then, open the ignition gun valve and light it. Adjust the firepower. Open the corresponding valve. Put it into the paint tank stove and light it. You can see the heat preservation fire in the middle. If you want a powerful fire to melt paints directly, you should open this valve. Then light the other 4 fires around. Now you can see totally 5 fires in the stove. Before marking, we should preheat the back and front die shoes. Light them to keep the paints warm during marking. Here is box to add reflective glass beads. Here is tank to add the thermoplastic paints. Add thermoplastic paints. At the beginning, add a small amount of paint and stir. When it reaches 100 degrees, the paints begin to melt. After it reaches above 180 degrees, add more paints and melt to this degree. This is the glass beads dispenser switch. Open or close the buttons here. You can adjust the spray width. Very perfect flowability. Discharge the paints out. Put down the die shoe to the ground. Press down the die shoe and begin to mark. This is the marking line we just finished. The reflective glass bead spray on the line surface. Let's test the retroreflectivity by a retroreflector meter. The valve range is about 180 to 10. Test different points to get average. Let's use a friction tester to measure the anti-slip coefficient. The valve is around 50.